Today I'm going to show you how to make an AFK witch farm. First, you're going to want to find a witch hut, and then build a ring around it like this. Then you're going to want to go 2 blocks up, and then build another ring right here. Then you're going to want to go 2 blocks down, and build one right here. Next, go to one of the longer sides of the farm and expand it by 1 block. Next, you can go ahead and destroy the witch hut and then fill in all 3 rings to make 3 different platforms. Next, go to the side that you expanded and place trapdoors and open them. Next, go ahead and place pillars on the sides of where the trapdoors are. And then go ahead and place blocks in front of the trapdoors. Next, you're going to want to place redstone dust in front of every single trapdoor. And then you'll want to waterlog each trapdoor. And then place blocks on top of all the waterlogged trapdoors. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and place blocks just as I am here. And then place redstone torches like this, and then go ahead and place redstone dust going from the bottom up. Next, on the shorter sides, go ahead and build the walls up to the top. Next, at the front, go ahead and dig 4 blocks deep. Then go inside the hole and place water on each side. And then in the middle, go ahead and place a sign. Next, from the sign, go ahead and dig 5 blocks down, and then build a room going away from the farm. Next, go ahead and place a double chest here with a hopper going into the double chest. And then on top of the hopper, place a rail with a minecart with hopper, and then break the rail. Next, you're going to want to place a piston here with a block off of it and then a lever. Turn on and off the piston and break the piston and the lever. Next, on top of this block, place a rail and 24 minecarts. And then cover it up. Next, go to the back corner and then make a way out using ladders. Next, go ahead and build up the front wall of the farm. Next, go ahead and build a roof. Next, go ahead and place redstone and pressure plates just like this. And then build out blocks just like this. Next, go ahead and place water just like this. And then place a boat right here. That way it'll create a redstone clock. Then just go ahead and place slabs on every block on the roof. And then go to the front and go up 115 scaffolding. And then go to the top and build a little AFK area. And there you go. You have now made yourself an AFK witch farm.